You've probably seen TikTok clippers claiming to make 30K a month just stealing other people's videos and reposting them. But I'm going to show you why that's probably not a reality on TikTok. There probably are a few people that get away with it, but most people are shut down quickly. And they just use their small successes to try and sell you a course. So recently I did a reaction video. We can go to TikTok Studio, monetization. I am making some money here on TikTok. You can see like this video right here was disqualified from the TikTok rewards program. And if we click on this video, it's basically me reacting to another video that was online. TikTok algorithm kind of noticed this and basically said you can't monetize this video. And if we tap on this, I even did an appeal and you can see that the appeal was rejected. So they gave me an originality violation. You'll be removed from this program if your videos have violated the content originality guidelines 5 times in the past 30 days. So if I keep doing this, I run the risk of being removed from the rewards program. And it's basically saying that my content is unoriginal. Even though that's me in the video, that's my captions, my wording, my education, my value added on top, I'm still getting this disqualification. Now just think of the people that aren't adding any value or anything on top. They're just stealing clips and re-uploading them. They're definitely facing a lot more problems than I am. So I just wanted to share this. You know, things aren't always as they seem. There's a lot of people trying to tell you that they're doing amazing online and trying to sell you stuff, but you got to be careful because a lot of it just isn't true. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.